There is no comparison, there is no literature throughout the universe like Srimad Bhagavatam. There is no comparison, there is no competition.
Prashtapadyam Purnamasyam Hema Simha Samanvitam Dadati Yo Bhagavatam Sayati Parmam Gatim. Translation: If on the full moon day of the month of Bhadra one places Srimad Bhagavatam on a golden throne and gives it as a gift, he will attain the supreme transcendental destination. Keeping this verse in mind, Hare Krishna Community and Culture Center celebrated Bhadra Purnima 2021 on Tuesday, 21st of September on the Zoom platform coordinated by Raju Krishnamurthy Prabhu and Richa Vyom Mataji. We set a goal of 50 sets of Bhagavatam to contribute to the global goal of 25,000 this year. But with the overwhelming support and cooperation from devotees, we managed to smash that goal and distribute more than 65 sets of Srimad Bhagavatam. Over 75 participants attended the special Zoom festival, in which more than 20 households received the blessings of Srimad Bhagavatam by performing the installation ceremony. We offered a special Hamsadut delivery service, which was coordinated by Janardhan Prabhu, Kala Janardhan Mataji and Bhakti Raghav Janardhan. And thanks to the amazing calling services by Kala Mataji and Preeti Malhotra Mataji, we could raise over $30,000. Krishna Leela Mataji was also instrumental in the logistics of the Srimad Bhagavatam sets and helping new devotees in installation. We would also like to thank His Grace Bhagavad Ashray Prabhu and His Grace Vijay Gopikesh Prabhu for guiding us through this project and helping us in each and every step of this campaign. A huge thanks to the Australian book team lead Vilasa Manjari Mataji for helping us and guiding us through this entire project and connecting us with the ISKCON Global team. We would also like to thank His Grace Sarvatirtha Gaura Prabhu for coordinating the HKCCC Bhadra Purnima 2021 campaign. We didn't stop at Sydney though, as Manisha Sharma Mataji and Nitika Garg Mataji helped us distribute this mercy to Melbourne, Perth and all throughout Australia. We would like to offer all these services to the ISKCON founder Acharya, His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada Ki Jai, and pray that he can keep blessing us in spreading the holy name. We are extremely grateful for all our donors who helped us in achieving this target. Names of our donors are His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj, Radha Govinda ji and family, Krishna Leela Mataji, Kalpesh Patel Prabhu, Amit Sachdeva Prabhu, Updesh Prabhu, Abhay Chaitanya Prabhu and Rajasakhi Mataji, Savita Mataji, Ravi Ramanna Prabhu, Vijay Prabhu, Sai Prabhu, Harpreet Prabhu and family, Murali Nagraj Prabhu, Pushpa Raj Prabhu, Santoshi Mataji and Roshni, Shanti Rao Mataji, Sanjay Shashidharan Prabhu, Wendy Mataji, Sanjeev Karikar and Poonam Karikar Mataji, Lakshmi Narsingha Prabhu, Venkat Iyer Prabhu, Rajani Mataji, Dharmendra Modi Prabhu ji, Bhupinder Prabhu ji, Nalin Mataji, Seva Nandini, Damodar and Ragini, Dr. Leela Mataji, Bhavin Prabhu and Harinama Prabhu, Rasika Mataji, Vinita Mataji, Prashant Kohli Prabhu from Bahrain, Nidhi Patel Mataji and Anonymous, Anita Kumar Mataji, Rohit Singhala Prabhu, Vijay Prabhu, Benrit Group, Amit Prabhu and Sanjay Prabhu, Sneha Mataji, Jai Prakash Prabhu and Amulya Prabhu, Kamal Prabhu and Anonymous, Shruti Agarwal and Chahat Agarwal from Melbourne, Sarla Raju Mataji, Pooja Mataji, Janma Leela Mataji, Vijay Prabhu and Sharanmukhi Mataji, Sunil Narayan Prabhu and Krishna Leela Mataji, Anurag Prabhu, Janardhan Prabhu and family, Savita Mataji's friend, Jagdish Prabhuji, Ramanarayan Dash Prabhuji, Vaidyanathan Prabhuji, Sharat Singh Prabhuji, Venkatesh Marela Prabhuji, Rajesh Prabhuji, Rajiv Prabhuji from Bahrain, HKCCC Sydney, Himanshu Prabhuji, Nileshni Lal Mataji. Thank you to all the donors. It's because of them that devotees got fortunate to receive Srimad Bhagavatam. Here is the recipient list who received the mercy of Lord Krishna in the form of Srimad Bhagavatam. सुब्रमण्यम रामामूर्ति प्रभु, रामा रथ नाम प्रभु जी, मनीषा माता जी, श्री माली प्रभु जी, अमित सचदेवा प्रभु जी, उपदेश प्रभु, प्रीति माता जी, सविता माता जी, संतोषी माता जी, राहुल पवार प्रभु, पूजा कौशिक माता जी, मनीषा माता जी, सपना माता जी फ्रॉम मेलबर्न, दीपा ठाकुर माता जी फ्रॉम कोगरा, श्रवंती ठाकुर माता जी फ्रॉम मेलबर्न, अंकित श्रीवास्तवा प्रभु, लीना एंड राजेश मखवाना प्रभु, संजीव करिकर प्रभु, लक्ष्मी नरसिंगा प्रभु, वेंकट अय्यर प्रभु, विष्णु हरिकृष्णन प्रभु, धर्मेंद्र प्रभु, भूपेंद्र प्रभु, नलिन माता जी, नागेश प्रभु, कोमल रानी माता जी फ्रॉम मेलबर्न, रितांगी नारंग माता जी, प्रक्षा सुनावने, संजुलता मौर्य, सीमा चोपड़ा, श्रवंती ठाकुर, अनीता बेनीवाल, शालिनी भल्ला, devotees Dr. Leela, Rasika Mataji and family, Benita Mataji and family, Anita Kumar and family, Rohit Singhala and family, Amit Prabhu and family, Sanjay Prabhu and family, Himanshu Prabhu and family. Then we have Monita Raj and Robindra Dev, Sunny and family, Anurag Prabhu and family. We would like to thank all the donors and all of the petals of HKCCC for jointly supporting Bhadra Purnima 2021, and we will look forward to the same enthusiasm for Bhadra Purnima 2022 and beyond. Thank you. Hare Krishna.